How to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 Failed Attestation BIOS Framework Update Required error. For this first step, run Activation Attestation Wizard. Go to the activation page. Download the Attestation Wizard from Attestation Official Support page. Scroll down, click Download Attestation Wizard, click it and download it. Wait for some time, it's downloading right now. Once the download complete after, we need to extract it. Download completed. Click it and extract it. Open it. Click Run Scan. Run a scan to check TPM and secure boot state. Click it and look for result. Here you can see the result. Attestation required not meet. Once checking the result, then we move on with next step. Close it. The next step, click motherboard manufacturer. Scroll down. We have seen the manufacturer list over there. You need to click it. Click BIOS firmware. Open the official website. Select the product information and download the update. Depends on the device, you can check it and update. If update required means you need to check and update it. It depends on the device, it may vary. So you need to check it and update it. After move on with next step, check TPM version you have. Open run and type the following text. And the status should be TPM is ready for use and the specification version is 2.0 and the manufacturer version and the manufacturer name. You need to check it. If TPM 2.0 is not present means restart your PC and enter BIOS or UEFI. Press delete F2, F10 or F12, depends on the device, it may vary. If Intel having means you need to check for PTT, platform trust technology or security device support, set it to enabled. If AMD means AMD FTPM, AMD CPU FTPM, firmware TPM, set it to enable. Then move on with next step, enable secure boot. Open run and type the following text. Click OK. A system information will appear. In this you need to search for BIOS mode. It should be UEFI and the secure boot state. It should be in on state. If secure boot off means you need to enter BIOS, enable secure boot and also need to disable CSM, legacy boot and legacy BIOS. We need to disable it. Thank you.